Our brains are dynamic powerhouses generating electrical patterns known as brainwaves. These waves, measured in Hertz, represent the collective activity of millions of neurons firing in synchrony. Delta waves 0 to 4 Hertz. Delta waves are prominent during deep sleep, restorative sleep, and healing processes. Theta waves 4 to 8 Hertz. Theta waves are associated with daydreaming, deep meditation, and the early stages of sleep. Alpha waves 8 to 14 Hertz. Alpha waves are present when we are in a relaxed and calm state, like during meditation or light daydreaming. Beta waves 14 to 30 Hertz. Beta waves dominate our brain activity during wakefulness and times of heightened alertness. Gamma waves 30 to 100 Hertz. Gamma waves are associated with peak cognitive performance, heightened awareness, and moments of insight.